In this video, you'll learn how to add GIFs in Slack messages. By following these steps, you will enhance your communication with fun and engaging visuals. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet to ensure a smooth experience. If you are using a desktop, you can navigate to the Slack website or launch the desktop application directly. Next, locate the channels option on the left sidebar of the Slack interface. This section allows you to view and access different channels in your workspace. Click on Channels to reveal a list of available channels. After that, select the channel where you want to post your GIF. Click on the desired channel name to enter it. You will know you are in the correct channel when you see the channel name at the top of the screen along with the chat history. Once you're in the channel, find the chat box located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will compose your message. Click inside the chat box to prepare for your message input. Next, look for the plus icon next to the chat box. This icon represents additional options for your message. Click on the plus icon to open a menu with various features. In the menu that appears, select the option labeled GIF. This will open a GIF search interface. You will know the selection is successful when a search bar and popular GIF options appear on your screen. Now browse through the available GIFs or use the search bar to find a specific GIF you want to use. Click on your chosen GIF to select it. Ensure you are satisfied with your choice before proceeding. After selecting the GIF, you will see it inserted into the chat box. To send the GIF, click on the send button, usually represented by a paper plane icon. The GIF will then be sent to the channel, visible to all members. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.